What's going on Instagram? Brendan here, aka The Gut Whisperer, and I want to share something with you. This is probably one of my most favorite tools that I personally use, and I try to get all my students to incorporate when they are trying to heal and seal their gut. There's an underlying theme that we want to work towards and accomplish when we are trying to heal and seal our gut. We're trying to strengthen our immune system and really give our immune system a hoping chance to combat anything that we're exposed to. And if we don't have a strong, robust immune system, then certainly we are more susceptible to getting sick, getting leaky gut, and so forth and so forth. So this is a tongue scraper. This is hands down one of my most favorite tools to use every morning when I wake up. So our body's in a state of detox, and when we're sleeping, our body is detoxifying. And we have various different types of exhausts: our ears, our eyes, our nose, our mouth, under our arms, certainly when we go pee and when we go bowel movements. Those are all exhausts. And when we're sleeping, our body is disposing various types of things: cellular debris, dead parasites and bugs and so forth. And they travel up, they go up to through our esophagus and they rest on the back of our tongue. And when we wake up, normally most times people will just swallow, or they'll drink water, or they'll drink a cup of coffee, or they'll have their cereal right away. And they're not consciously aware that their body was detoxifying. And all of that stuff that's rested on the back of your tongue, you've essentially swallowed. And now it's going down, back, all for reprocessing all over again. And your immune system has to process that all over again. And if we've got leaky gut, the things that wanted or should have been disposed of have now essentially gone back into our gut. This is a tongue scraper. And first thing when you wake up, you consciously don't swallow. So you wake up, even if you hit the snooze button, don't swallow. Get out of bed, go right to the sink. This, scrape your tongue 3 times, spit that out, and you'll see the color of the saliva that is resting in the sink. And your body would have consumed that. And just by eliminating that, that's one less thing that your immune system has to process. This is hands down one of the cheapest, best tools that you can use for oral hygiene. I absolutely love it. I do it every day. The first day that I ever did it was the exact last day that I never did it ever again. I bring this when I travel. Every morning I'm religious with this. This is a fantastic, inexpensive tool. This brand is called Dr. Tongues. I'm gonna post this on my YouTube and I'll just put a link there. You can get it on Amazon. You can go to any other health food store, and that's it. It's a very inexpensive tongue scraper, great for oral hygiene, and it's helpful for your immune system, believe it or not. So there you go.